Hello, everyone. My name is TJ. Welcome back to 52 Weeks, 52 Games. We're here with, well, True Learn. This is a game apparently about you're a programmer working for a company and you're not very good at programming, but your cat is, so you have to build a neural network to learn to interact with your cat and have your cat do your job for you, which is good, I guess. But this game's looked very interesting. It's not this week's free game on Epic Games, but it is one I've had for a while, and I've been wanting to check it out, so I thought I would check it out here on video. Yeah, so let's just jump in with a new game. Let's do the tutorial and see what happens. To become a programmer, you must master the art of turning your computer on. Yes, that is important. Press and hold the flashing triangle and drag to the power outlet to connect the power outlet with your PC screen and keyboard. When it's done, press the power button that appears in the upper right corner of the screen. It's up here. Congratulations, you're almost a programmer now. Oh, okay. So I have to drag all of the power to everything. Power. Aha, power! Power has arrived. Oh, it's Windows XP. Excellent. Computer is on. One more step to be a programmer. Okay, I'm typing. There's an error. I have no more coffee. Coffee is important to being a programmer. The cat opens his eye, and while I go to get more coffee, the cat gets on the chair and types the program, and it builds and compiles successfully. The cat is the programmer. Woo! The cat has a smug grin on its face. Meow. Hey, what did you do? Did you do that? Holy zeros, if only I could understand what this cat has to say. Cat. Meow. I guess we'll have to find out a way to recognize your speech. Cat. Meow. Go. Cat speech recognition. To-do list. Google it on Cat Overflow. Yes. Clearly not just Googling it on Stack Overflow because someone has found out how to recognize cat voices? Confused. Enter your name. TJ. Okay. How to recognize animal speech. Hey everyone, can you believe my cat? The little devil has debugged my code. Again. This has happened before. Okay. He definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of a system, algorithm, which would help me understand him. Give me advice, wish me luck maybe? P.S. I'm not insane, my mom had me tested. Don't rush ahead of yourself. Making a device that would be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video, sounds, etc. when the time is right. Hey, a couple of days ago I've been reading about how expert system can be applied for detecting animals and writing chatbots. The newspaper was called Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies once I'm done with them. Okay, welcome to your workspace. This is where programming magic and bugs, mostly bugs, is born. To begin, drag an expert system node from the list on the right. Drag the connecting line from the starting node on the left to the expert system node on the right. If you want to delete the connection, right click on it. Okay. That goes there. And that goes to photos with cat and photos with no cat. And then we click test run. Okay, so we have red goes here and everything else goes here. That makes sense. It does it every 1 second apparently. Okay. Cool. I've tried the expert system. It hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right. What is all that fuss about machine learning? Are you guys actually working there? This is called visual programming, my fellow dude. Oh boy. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cat on them. No, it's not what machine learning is all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Well, I'm not very good at it yet, apparently. When do I actually start building a cat translator? Don't rush it, friend. You gotta master your machine learning ninja skills first. I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward you some jobs I don't have time for. It will help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks as well. Check your mail now. P.S. You're still paying for the server stuff. Okay. Hi, TJ at cat.meow. Noob advice. There's auto help for each new technology. Very convenient. I've turned it on for you now. No need to thank me, but you probably want to change your password. My cat talks 123 is pretty obvious. That's honestly the kind of password I would set. Not gonna lie. Behold the task tree. This is the map of your progression in the game. Vertical progression stands for story quests. Horizontal branches are optional. Icon colors stand for different types of machine learning technologies used in respective tasks. Sounds pretty simple, or so we hope. Okay. Applicants, good day. We're from a public school. Summer exams have ended. The results are attached to the letter. Could you process them and predict which of the students will be able to enter the MIT? Not just MIT, this is the MIT. Wow. See these colorful geometric shapes? They represent various kinds of data, numbers, letters, elements of images. In modern world, everything can be turned into data, and machine learning is all about sorting and interpreting data. Long story short, your goal in the game is to transfer data from the left part of the screen to the right and do it correctly. These bars show the minimum amount of data that is needed, or that needs to be processed to complete the task. Okay, so if I put this here, then I say green goes there, otherwise we go there, and then I hit go, then we see what happens. So the green ones go over here, and everything else goes over here. This is excellent. This works as intended. Release the program to complete the task. Okay. Alright, so I got paid 350 quid, or $350 or whatever, 350 cat bucks. And the cat cloud, I'm guessing that's my servers, cost 42 cat dollars, even though isn't that the euro symbol? Anyway, and I made in total 308 cat dollars. Okay. So I guess next is errors in database. Hello, we have some errors in our questionnaires data. We can't solve the problem by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Well, I mean, I guess. Okay, your efficiency is measured not just in money, but with medals too. Medals influence your story progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. Yes, that's what medals do. To get a medal, your scheme has to meet the respective time and nodes limits. You can improve your result later on. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. The trash can destroys elements. No matter how many trash cans you place, they only count for one node. Okay, but in the real world, real data sets have a lot of errors, and you have to filter them out, and you need to learn how it works. Here's a Discord server, and here's an article about learning filtering errors. Don't care. What we need to do is we need to put this here. We need to go, so we want red and green to go here. There, red, green, and blue, so we're going to go blue gets filtered to this trash can. Everything else goes to here. That should be correct. Test run. Let's see. So blue goes there, red and green both go here. Excellent! This has been successful. Now we just watch it run and everything goes bloop bloop bloop. I have a feeling this is going to get significantly more complicated. Oh boy. Okay. And I have a feeling this time spent and money spent is going to be something I will have to manage. Okay. Errors in database 2. We found some new types of errors. Please update your system. Okay, well, that's fine. Mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence. Before the invention of neural networks, people used expert systems. An expert system is a deterministic algorithm which which reproduces decisions of a real person. An example of this is Eliza, the very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966 and talked with the patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. People probably killed themselves because of this thing, honestly. Alright, custom nodes are special nodes containing your previously designed scheme. Press on the middle tab. Okay, press on the middle tab to get the custom nodes. So, drag the custom node sorting the color red to the workspace. If you want to modify the scheme inside the custom node, double right click on it or press the down arrow on it. Okay, so we want red else divide, right? That makes sense. We want red to go to here. We want else to go somewhere else. And that makes sense. Then all we do is we go back to here. We throw out a trash can. We go like this. We drag this to here. Red goes to there, and that goes to there. And then we hit go. And it should sort reds to here and everything else to here. That is correct. Excellent. That's what they want, is reds over there, so it's going to take forever to get 8 of them, though. I'm going to run out of time. This needs to hurry up. Jeez, barely had any time left. I spent 58 cat dollars on this, and I used 2 nodes, and that's correct. Awesome. Wow, I am making a significant amount of cash. Alright, task tree, decision trees, and then there's a branch that goes this way for main story, there's a branch that goes here. For optimization, there's a branch that goes here that goes this way somewhere. However, there's things in here. Oh, I can, okay, I can get different cat skins, or I can, or I can get some aloe that has Skyrim pre-installed. Mandatory for purchase. Okay, purchase it. And I got an achievement, apparently. Cool. Here's the cat. The cat meows, that's good. I have a message. Private message. The history of expert systems. 1965 can be considered a starting point for the work on creating expert systems. That year, scientists of Stanford Research Institute, Edward Feigenbaum and Bruce Buchanan, teamed up with Nobel laureate Joshua Lederberg and began working on a computer system designed to determine the molecular structure of chemical compounds. That's literally the only email I've ever gotten. Cool. Useful. Alright, tree. Let's carry on. Decision trees. How to recognize a cat in the picture. Is there any way to detect a cat without using expert systems? It works for texts, but with pictures not so much. Furthermore, the cat just won't sit still. Seems to be sitting still to me on top of my monitor. That it does not. Try decision trees, then. These are like expert systems, but on steroids. Once you feel comfortable about them, around them, try Sift. This little devil is way more effective with pictures. Also works nicely when paired with other algorithms. Or you can use nails or glue or something. Come on, it's just a cat. It won't fight you back. JK, don't use anything I mentioned on an actual cat. Okay, so I cannot nail the cat to the floor. That would be odd. Okay, different nodes have different processing rates. This parameter will influence the efficiency of your schemes. Icons on the right here indicate the amount of time required for a node to process one element of data. Okay, so decision trees compares output parameters with an element's color. If an element's color is equal to only one socket's color, the element moves to that socket. If an element's color satisfies both conditions or none of them, it goes to a random socket. Okay, so on this one there's red and blue. So red will always go to red, blue will always go to blue, but green matches none of them, so we'll go to random ones. As we can see here in the output, it goes to both of them or any of them. So we can't have if red then else, or if red go here else go here. This is if red go here, if blue go here, if not red or blue, then go to one or both or some. Just pick randomly. Okay, this makes kind of sense. So I guess we just kind of do exactly what that example said, where we set green to go randomly, red to go here, and blue to go here, and it'll be faster than this expert system, which I would technically... I don't know if I could do it with expert systems. Not entirely sure. Anyway, let's just sort everything randomly all over the place, I guess. That seems to be working. That is working. And that was in 11.5 seconds. That was significantly faster. Okay. What about optimization? Optimization of the code hides us again. We've changed our database system. Can you update your code one last time? We need it to work faster. Okay, this is the school, I'm guessing, again, for the MIT thing. To decrease and increase speed. Oh, there's a... Okay. And use space to pause. Okay, that's good to know. So we need red here. Okay. So I'm thinking, as far as for speed goes, I think we do something like this. Where we go just here. And then blue, or we can... This will sort between... This will sort out blue entirely. So blue can go to there. We need another trash can as well for this. So this will sort blue out entirely and some of the green. And some of the green will go here, which we will then sort out here to go to this trash can. And all of the reds will go here. I don't know how fast this will be, but we shall see. I don't think it's going to be fast enough. No. Oh, success! I did it! In less than 20 seconds, and I used 3 out of 4 nodes. Okay, can I make it faster, though? Yes! Yes, I can. If I just... Can I delete this? Delete. Sure, let's delete all nodes. So if I put a decision tree here, and then I put one here that goes to green, this should be faster. Right? If I dump... Okay, so this part works the same. We're going from red, green, blue to here. We're going sorting out blue and some of the green to here. And then we're putting red and some of the green to here. And then it will go... It'll sort between red and green. It'll dump the green to this trash can. And the red to here. And I think due to the fact that the items take time to travel over the strings, making the strings as fairly as short as possible makes things a little faster. Let's see how that works. That should be quicker. Yes, that was significantly quick. Actually, it was 0.3 seconds quicker. It wasn't entirely quicker, but we got a gold medal, so that's what matters. Cool. And the faster I do it, obviously, the more money I save. So, okay. I see there's an email. Who invented the decision tree? Decision tree is one of the automatic data analysis models. The first ideas of creating decision trees date back to the works of Hovland and Hunt in the late 50s of the 20th century, so the late 1950s. However, the fundamental work that gave impetus to the development of this direction was a book named Hunt, Marin, and Stone Experiments in Induction, published in 1966. Okay. Okay, well, I say... Rather than doing Illuminati Origins, I say we go to MedX. Greetings, our company is manufacturing all organic natural painkillers. That technically I think they would market it as all natural organic painkillers, but whatever. They are used to decrease suffering. Okay, that's what painkillers do. Mood improvement, that is what painkillers do. And coping with eating disorders, that's questionable. Known side effects, including dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction. Okay, it's just cocaine. Anyway, are caused by the human factor. From time to time, our workers pick the wrong plants because they look like medical herbs. Ah, so they're making painkillers and then sometimes they put cocaine in them. This, okay, whatever. The workers are morons and they need AI to help them design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petals, colors. Okay, can do that. So we have red and green here. We have blue and green here. And we have red and green here. Now, this just got significantly more complicated because I can do this. Wait, can I? No, you can only connect one thing to one thing. Okay, so that will work for those two. However, how do I get more red and green here? Unless I just do this. Okay, we're just gonna go any and any. Here and here. This should work. Right? Because we're sorting red and green will go here. Blue and green will go here. Blue and green goes to where it needs to go. Red and green will then just split and go here and here. However, more of it need to go here. I don't know how to optimize that. Let's just see what happens. Also, it looks like the distances don't actually vary too much. Or the distances, not that they don't vary, they don't mean much. Okay, we're gonna need to learn, or there's gonna need to be a method for priorities. As in, we set this to a lower priority than this one. I'm hoping that will come later on in the game. Let's continue on and see. Yeah, so we only spent 55 cat dollars. We spent 27.5 seconds. We only used 2 out of 3 nodes because I'm a genius. Yeah, I don't understand why. That seems to me the most efficient way to do it. The only problem is that we. What if I do that? If I set that one to green, will that lower that priority? Let's see if that helps. Oh, whoops! I just saved it and hit run. My bad. Ah, yes, that seems to have definitely raised this one's priority. But then we're waiting on this one to fill. What if I set this one to red? What if I do that? What if I sort these red and green? Just dump red here and green here. Is that any faster? I feel like it'll be faster. Doesn't seem to be any faster. It seems like we're getting a lot more red. Okay, what if I switch that then? If I go green there and red there, so that we're putting the more red to the one that takes longer to fill, question mark? I'm not entirely sure how to optimize this better. Okay, that's fine for that. Wait, hang on. What if I do this? What if I run this to here? I sort out green to there and blue to there, but I'm going to set this one to any. What if we do that? Will that help? Because this one has the most. It needs the most, so. And it seems like green comes out a lot right at the beginning. So if we just dump green to that one, and then we dump just blue to this one, and some green. Ooh, this looks like it's fairly well optimized. As far as time-wise. No, it's not. We don't make it. Still. We're close, though. We are closer. These are looking a lot more... There's not like 46 at one of them. Okay, what if we put this one back to any? What if we put these both to any again, but we have this one extra putting green there? Yeah, let's see how much faster that is. If it's faster, for that matter. Okay, accuracy doesn't seem to be an issue as yet. It's just speed. Ooh, hey, I think we've got it. I think that did the trick. Yes, that did the trick. 22.4 seconds and a gold medal. That did the trick. Look at this. We're only 2 over here, and even here. That's the closest I've gotten to an accurately even mix. Cool. Nice. Bug fixing the programmer way. Okay, now I am needing to go here to Illuminati Origins. Great. Good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati. Excellent. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Can you design a program that would do that for me? I mean, yeah, I guess. This node compares shapes. If an element shape matches the designated shape, that element goes to the top socket. Others go to the bottom socket. Okay, but it's slow. Okay. In the real world, SIFT, Scale Invariant Feature Transform, is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms for detecting features on pictures, which is essential for image recognition. SIFT is very fast and is capable of recognizing simple objects and patterns. However, not very fast over here. Okay. So we just need SIFT and the trash can. Ooh, trash can goes over here. Triangle. He wants triangles. The rest go to the trash can. That seems to be the... Oh, hey. It would also help if I plugged it in. You know, if I, like, you know, connected the thing. It would help. Okay, circle, you go to the trash can. Triangle, you go to the triangle spot. Alright, well, this doesn't seem too hard yet. That last one, though, man, that last one was a doozy. Alright. Well, that one wasn't too bad. I did it. I made 1,000 cat dollar things. Working for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul-sucking. Aim for the sky and become a CTO of a startup. In the world of the savage market laws, it's either sink or swim. Will you get rich or bite the dust? It's worth trying anyway. Okay, I guess we're starting our... We can start our own pizza place? To make money? Confused, but, not entirely mad. I'm down. Let's do a pizza shop. We're honored to invite you to join our startup, the world's first AI-controlled pizza place. Not sure how I feel about that. But our fingers are always stained with flour, and we can't really code because of that. To help us write and implement algorithms that'll be able to separate orders from round pizza from orders from square-shaped pizza, or for square-shaped pizza. Let's feed the people and become rich. Okay. Well, this shouldn't be any bad. This shouldn't be any bad. No. So, okay, so this is like the same thing, but less constrained, but the better I make it do, the more money I make. That makes sense. Circles, yeah. Put that there, put that there, put that there. Circles go to there, squares go to there. That wasn't difficult. Further testing won't affect your results in this startup. Yeah, you're right. They won't. Because... Okay, cool. Serves pizza in round and square shapes. The scheme you're designing is the brain of your pizza robot. It sorts orders by the shape of your pizza that your clients order, so that you don't put square pizzas in round boxes. But everything goes in the square hole, so... These are the users of your startup. In this case, their pizza restaurant. They've heard of a new amazing place in town, now they want to grab a slice. These are your clients' orders. The millennials don't care too much about toppings, only shape matters. Mind the accuracy. If a client gets a pizza they've ordered, they will pay you money and tell their friends about your place. If a client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay and don't expect them to return with friends. Okay. Clients don't like waiting in queues and will leave with no hesitation. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. The market is constantly changing, so pay attention to what's going on and experiment with your schemes. And now it's time to launch your first startup. Okay, so we launched it. Cool. From this moment, the startup will work automatically. Okay, so release is deploy. Okay, well, this is working as well as can be expected, so... Alright, cool. The cash is flowing. When the hype icon is green, that means your startup's all over the news. Okay, cool. So I'm just making tons of money from sorting square boxes and round boxes. Hey, and now I have pizza. Haha, look at that. Okay, well, I have a message. A letter from Mom and Dad. Read, hello. We remember how you cherish your financial independence, but your birthday's just around the corner. Be a good kid and take this money and buy yourself something nice, will you? We love you very much and we will miss you. Or we do miss you. Do not forget to put a hat on. It's very cold outside. 1100. Okay, geez. Okay. Thanks, Mom and Dad. You just give me 1100 bucks. Wish my parents would give me 1100 bucks. Cactus that protects from radiation? Yo, hardware. Sweet, I can buy some RAM. And Rentium, whatever that is. Oh, it's... It's a pentium. It's a pentium. I will buy all of them, because my parents just gave me a lot of money. Cool. I got upgrades. Nice. Mama Smith's Pizza Bank made me a lot of money. Hype icon is gray. I've satisfied my target audience. When the number becomes red, it's time to cash out. Okay. Let's ignore the startup for the time being and do chicken escape. Hi, my name is Sarah. I own a small technology farm. Our distributors demand supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time to sort them manually. That's why we've decided to automate the process. We have all the data about eggs parameters, but we need an algorithm which will work without human assistance and with high accuracy. Okay. Okay, I don't know what kind of chickens these are, but they're freaking laying square and triangle eggs. I am not about this. But we're gonna throw one here and one here, and this will go to squares. Then we go from here to here, and we go circles go to here, and then everything else goes to here, and squares goes to here, and triangles go to here, and we run it. This isn't difficult at all. And we make sure that it works, and it does. It does in fact work. And we're easily getting a gold medal, because this wasn't difficult. The chickens... I don't know what this has to do with chickens escaping. I'm very confused. This doesn't really have much to do with chickens escaping. Can we get a triangle, please? Thank you. Game. My goodness. We didn't get it... Because the triangle took forever. And there were too many squares. Whatever. Anyway. We're not going to get a gold on that one. I don't see any other way to optimize it or to make it better. So that's just based on input. I can't make that any different. Whatever. Yep. Okay, so I made $975. Crowd psychology. The Pizza Shack is... I'm making a lot of money on the Pizza Shack. And now we cash out. Yep, rip your Pizza Shack. Cool, I made $2,800 or something. Alright, well, crowd psychology. Good day, our company is making a research on crowd psychology. We need an algorithm which would be capable of defining a person's type based on certain behavior patterns. Okay, this is understandable. This way, we would be able to quickly identify dangerous individuals in the crowd and prevent unpleasant accidents. We have identified the parameters to work with, but we need an experienced developer to write the algorithm. Okay, first of all, I wish coding was this easy. And I wish you could make this much money. Because it's been 3 weeks and I've made 8 grand. That's, 10,000 a month, which makes me, as a developer, that makes me $120,000 a year as a kid living in his basement with his cat. And I've literally clicked some things and posted on Cat Overflow. I really wish that developing work was this easy. Yeah. Also, this is very unethical and you should not do this. But since this is a video game, I am okay with it. Oh boy. Okay. Now, remember when I said things were going to get difficult? Yeah, they got difficult. Okay, so we need this to go here to get rid of circles entirely. Oh, yo. But we need... No. I'm gonna have to zoom out on this one, boys. Okay, so first of all, do I not get... Okay. I guess I don't get... Sandbox for skin. Oh, okay. So that's just a sandbox thing. Okay, back. Okay, so I need... Oh, no. I need a decision tree that's going to sort blue this way and green this way, and that'll make red go evenly between the two. And then I need one here to sort between red and green. And I need this here to go to triangles to go to a trash can. So we're going to have red and blue. So we're going to sort out triangles. So then that part's done, because that means red and blue will come out of here. Triangles will go in the trash can. Red and blue circles and squares will go to here. Now, red and green will come this way. We're going to split them into red and green. And then we're going to sort for red squares. We're going to sort for green triangles. And we're going to throw the rest away. Now this should work. I don't know that it is the most optimal method. In fact, I highly doubt it is the most optimal method. But let's find out. So far, we're fairly accurate and good. And Okay, I see we have a bottleneck here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move these, delete this line, we're going to put another thing here that sorts between red and blue. Add another sorter here, we're going to go red there, blue goes here, also sorts out triangles to a trash can, and goes here. This should clean up the bottleneck that I saw. Yeah, that should take care of that. Alright, so we have red squares and green triangles going here. That's correct. We have red squares, red circles, blue circles going here. That takes care of that. This is now a bottleneck. But there's not really anything I can do about that. We got a bronze medal. Okay. Now, how do I sort this, or these rather, differently? Ooh, I know. What is the least we have here? We have squares. So let's do this. Let's go squares, go to the trash can. Oh, we're already... Oh, we need to stay within 6 nodes. Oh, boy. See, I can make this fast. Or I can make it work. I think I'll just go back to just making it work. Like this. And we will put this bottleneck back. Because that puts us at our 6 nodes. However, we're not going to make it in time because this bottleneck's too badly. But that puts us at our 6 nodes, and that does the job. It does correctly what it is supposed to do. It just bottlenecks really bad. Yeah. It will do correctly what it is supposed to do. Wait, no, I've done it wrong. This is supposed to be sorting. Huh, I did this the wrong way. Haha, I'm dumb. That goes there. Trash can goes here. There we go. Hehe, my bad. I did it wrong. There we go. I was like, why isn't this 100% accuracy? Because I put the green triangles in the wrong place. Oops. Anyway, now we watch this run. Can we make it go faster? Yes, we can. There are definitely ways that I could optimize this more. For example, we could take this output, because this outputs red circles as well. So we could take this else output and sort it again and put just red triangles on the trash and put the red circles here. Should put more here. But I am at my node limit. I don't know how to make it faster. Without making more nodes. I don't know. Anyway, I could definitely optimize this, but that 6 node limit is my limit, so I guess we'll run this again and then release it. Because it is functional, it does work, it is 100% accurate, it simply takes a little too long because of this bottleneck right here. So, whatever. We still made 807 cat dollars. It was functional. Not the best thing I've ever done. Recognizing cat on pictures, 100% complete. Alright, well. There's a video, looks like. Obviously I'm going to click on gold. Eliza, first chatbot, cat's biology. Okay, so our main character is studying, obviously. Cat mail. There's a camera. Sorry, I had to sneeze. There's a camera and a TV. This should definitely work. Cat, Eureka! The cat has been detected. Okay, that part works. We've detected the cat in pictures. Yay! And at that point, I think we're going to leave it off there. This is a bit of a shorter video. Gives you a bit of a look into the game, but I'm not going to play the whole thing, obviously, on camera. That's for you to go purchase the game and find out what else the game has to offer. I think that's going to do it for me. So until next time, this has been TJ with While True, Learn. Hope you enjoyed. This has been 52 Weeks, 52 Games, Week 3. If you enjoyed, like button, subscribe, all that jazz. Yeah, till next week. This has been TJ, I'm out.